everybody, I'm your online English teacher. My mission is to help you to speak English fluently. Speaking English is way easier when you use the right material and techniques. In the first part of this episode, I'm gonna talk about lending and borrowing something and how to get a loan from the bank. And in the second part, you'll practice your spoken English with a question and answer mini story. Alright, let's get started. Today, I'd like to talk about loans and the related vocabulary. Loans have always been a feature in all countries, societies, and cultures. Person A has some money, and person B needs money. Then person A can lend money to person B. When we talk about lending, we don't talk about giving. Giving means permanently, without a time limit. For example, if I say, I'll give you the car, it means that the car won't be mine anymore, it'll be yours. When someone gives a loan, it's under certain conditions. That is, he agrees to give money under certain conditions. You can say, give a loan, or more formally, grant a loan. Logically, a bank lends money. You go to a bank office and ask for a loan. Then the bank will consider whether or not to give you the loan. It depends on your salary, your situation, whether you have more loans, etc. If the bank agrees to grant you the loan, you receive the money you ask for. But beware, you have to return the money in the future. And when do you have to return it? You have to pay it back within the time the bank tells you to. A deadline means a time limited by date. For example, you have until Friday to return the money. By the way, you don't just pay back the money you borrow. You give more money back. The extra money is the interest. For example, if you ask for $1,000, the interest may be 5% per year. Well, you have to pay $1,000 plus $50, which is 5% of $1,000. That's how banks do business, by lending money from others and charging interest for it. Alright, this episode ends right here. Remember to share it with your friends and to leave a comment. See you soon!